What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. Today I'm showing you I picked up this vehicle from Copart in Rhode Island. This is a 2004 Infiniti G35 with 137,000 miles. I just picked this up. It was dead on arrival. Jump started it, and it's got a rod knock or something in it because the engine is loud, and also the lights stay on, so that could be a body control module issue. The car does run and drive, but it wants to stall. So far I've put a little bit more oil in the engine because the engine was low on oil and the oil looked really bad. So I'm not ready to strip this thing down and part it out because I like G35, so I might pick up another one that might be smashed and have a good engine. This one is in really good shape as far as body. It's got these 19-inch TSW wheels. It's got a 2-in-1 exhaust. It's got a resonator on the back. What else? It's got black vinyl roof and black vinyl sail panels and some made in Japan stickers. It's got a cold air intake. The driver's seat's ripped up. But let me show you what it sounds like. Surprisingly, no check engine lights. So you can hear that knocking. And if I put it in gear, it stalls. So like to move the car, I'm on my foot and on the gas to move it. It does have a nice radio in it. This little piece here fell out. This little glove box piece. I've had it up already once, but it just fell right through. Let me show you the engine. You can hear it sounds real bad. Yeah. I'm not sure this one's worth saving as far as the engine. So for now, this is the new toy. I'm gonna have to park this one and work on other ones. This one's just depressing. The amount of money I spent on this car to get it here, and it just sounds like this. It's depressing. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should fix it or strip it.